Else if, multiple outcomes conditions. In some scenarios, a simple if-else condition may not be enough to manage all the possible outcomes of a workflow. When there are multiple possible conditions to evaluate and different actions to take for each, the else-if construct becomes essential. Else-if allows you to handle more than just two outcomes, true or false, making your workflow adaptable to various scenarios with multiple decision points. Each else-if statement provides an additional condition to check, offering an alternative action if the previous conditions are not met. This ensures that workflows remain efficient, reducing the need for excessive nesting of if-else conditions. Key objectives of this chapter. Introduction to else. If conditions. Understand the purpose of else. If as a decision-making tool when more than two outcomes are possible. Else if enables the workflow to evaluate multiple conditions in a sequence until one of the conditions is met, ensuring the correct action is triggered. Structure of else. If condition. The first condition to be evaluated. Else, if conditions. Additional conditions that are checked sequentially if the first condition is not met. Else condition. The fallback condition when none of the if or else if conditions are met. This structure is crucial for handling workflows that involve more than two possible outcomes. When to use else. If. Explore scenarios where else if is most effective. Situations requiring multiple decision points. Different approval levels. Scenarios where multiple criteria determine the final outcome. Determining shipping methods based on location, weight, and delivery time. Handling complex decision-making without the need for deeply nested if-else statements. Practical examples of else-if. Practical, real-world examples of how to use else-if conditions to streamline decision-making in Power Automate workflows. Best practices for else-if conditions. Learn how to efficiently design workflows using else-if without overcomplicating the logic. Focus on how to structure conditions clearly and test workflows effectively. Example scenarios. Scenario 1. Shipping method selection. Introduction. A company processes orders and needs to determine the appropriate shipping method based on the delivery location and package weight. There are multiple shipping options available, each with specific criteria. Example, breakdown, if condition. If the package is being shipped within the local region. Then action. Use standard shipping. Else if condition 1. If the package weighs less than 2 kilograms and is going overseas. Then action. Use international air shipping. Else if condition 2. If the package weighs over 2 kilograms and is going overseas. Then action. Use international freight. Else condition. For any other case, use express shipping. This shows how else-if can handle various shipping scenarios, avoiding the need to nest multiple if-else conditions. Scenario 2. Employee leave approval. Introduction. A company handles employee leave requests based on their employment level. Different leave types are approved by different managers depending on the employee's position. Example, breakdown. If condition. If the employee is a junior staff member. Then action. Send the leave request to the team leader for approval. Else if condition 1. If the employee is a senior staff member. Then action. Send the leave request to the department head. Else if condition 2. If the employee is an executive. Then action. Send the request to the director. Else condition. If the employee status is unknown, escalate to HR for manual review. This demonstrates how else-if can efficiently route requests to the appropriate manager based on the employee's level, without complex nesting. Summary and key takeaways. Else. If conditions provide an efficient way to handle multiple outcomes in workflows, reducing the need for complex nesting. You've learned how to structure else, if conditions, when to use them, and how they differ from simple if-else conditions. Real-world scenarios like shipping method selection and leave approval workflows show how else-if can be applied to automate decision-making based on multiple criteria. Following best practices, else-if can simplify workflows, making them easier to manage and understand. By the end of this chapter, you'll be able to design workflows that can handle several outcomes, adapting to various decision points without unnecessary complexity.